This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Small woodcrafts often look simple at first glance, but behind that simplicity hides one of the most powerful opportunities in the handmade market. In a world where people are searching for meaningful objects, personalized decor, and practical items with character, small wooden crafts quietly outperform large furniture in speed, flexibility, and profit margins. They require less material, less space, and less time, yet they can generate steady income when designed with intention. Today, we are diving deep into how small wood crafts can lead to big earnings, and how different designs, styles, and product ideas consistently sell in real markets. This is not about rushing production or copying trends blindly, it's about understanding what buyers value, how design influences price, and how small pieces of wood can carry big financial potential when crafted with care and vision. Small wood crafts succeed because they sit perfectly at the intersection of beauty, usefulness, and affordability. Buyers may hesitate before purchasing a large piece of furniture, but they rarely overthink buying a small wooden item that improves their daily life or decorates their space. Items like wooden phone holders, desk organizers, candle holders, key racks, jewelry trays, and wall accents are purchased impulsively, gifted frequently, and replaced easily, which creates repeat customers. From the maker's perspective, this means faster production cycles and the ability to test many designs without high risk. One small workshop can produce dozens of unique items in the time it would take to build a single large piece of furniture. Design plays a central role in whether a small wood craft sells or sits unsold. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and thoughtful details instantly raise perceived value. A simple wooden tray becomes a premium product when edges are softened, grain direction is respected, and finishing is smooth to the touch. Buyers subconsciously associate tactile quality with craftsmanship, even if they cannot name why the piece feels special. Small crafts allow you to focus on these finishing details, because the surface area is manageable and the time investment per item is low compared to larger builds. One of the most profitable approaches in small wood crafts is functional minimalism. Modern buyers, especially those living in apartments or compact homes, value items that serve a clear purpose without visual clutter. A minimalist wooden stand that holds a phone, watch, and keys becomes a daily companion rather than a decorative afterthought. When a craft integrates seamlessly into everyday routines, it becomes indispensable, and indispensable items justify higher prices. The beauty of wood enhances this effect, because natural grain patterns create warmth and authenticity that plastic or metal alternatives often lack. Another powerful category is personalized small wood crafts. Custom engraving, carved initials, meaningful symbols, or short messages transform ordinary objects into emotional purchases. A wooden gift box with a name, a key holder engraved with a family phrase, or a wall plaque marking an important date carries personal value far beyond the cost of materials. Personalization also reduces price resistance, because buyers are paying for meaning, not just wood. For creators, personalization increases margins while using the same base design repeatedly, which is one of the smartest ways to scale handmade income. Seasonal small wood crafts provide another layer of opportunity. Holiday ornaments, tabletop decorations, candle holders, and themed wall signs can be produced in batches and sold during predictable demand cycles. Unlike large seasonal furniture, these items are affordable for buyers and easy to store for sellers. Seasonal designs also allow you to refresh your product line without abandoning your core skills. The same cutting, sanding, and finishing techniques apply, while the visual theme changes to match the season or celebration. Rustic-style small crafts appeal strongly to buyers who want warmth and nostalgia in their homes. Slightly textured surfaces, visible joinery, and reclaimed wood elements tell a story of authenticity. A small rustic shelf, a handcrafted wine rack, or a simple wooden crate repurposed for storage can sell well because it feels grounded and real. Importantly, rustic does not mean careless. Successful rustic pieces are intentionally imperfect, balanced carefully so they feel natural rather than unfinished. When done right, rustic designs allow you to use scrap wood creatively, turning offcuts into profitable products. Modern and contemporary small wood crafts attract a different audience but are equally profitable. Smooth surfaces, sharp geometry, and contrast between light and dark woods create a refined aesthetic that fits modern interiors. Items like geometric wall art, sleek desk accessories, and modular storage pieces perform well in online marketplaces because they photograph beautifully. Visual appeal matters enormously in digital sales, and small modern wood crafts allow you to control lighting, angles, and backgrounds easily for compelling product images. Wall-mounted small crafts deserve special attention because they save space while adding character. Key holders, floating shelves, mail organizers, and decorative panels combine function with visual interest. These items often become focal points in entryways or living spaces, which increases their perceived importance. Buyers are willing to invest in wall pieces because they transform empty vertical space into something useful and attractive. For the maker, wall-mounted crafts typically use little material but command strong prices when designed thoughtfully. Another profitable direction is desk and workspace accessories. As more people work from home, demand for wooden desk organizers, monitor stands, pen holders, and cable management solutions continues to grow. Wood brings warmth to workspaces dominated by screens and electronics, creating a balance that many buyers crave. These items also align perfectly with productivity and wellness trends, which strengthens their market appeal. Small desk accessories are also ideal for repeat sales, as customers often return to buy matching pieces once they are satisfied with one product. Children's wooden items represent another steady niche. Simple toys, puzzle boards, name signs, and decorative pieces for children's rooms attract buyers who value natural materials and durability. Parents often prefer wood over plastic for aesthetic and safety reasons, especially when finishes are natural and non-toxic. Small wooden children's items require careful craftsmanship, but they also generate strong trust and loyalty when quality is consistent. Trust leads to word-of-mouth recommendations, which is invaluable for handmade businesses. Pricing small wood crafts correctly is as important as design. Underpricing can devalue your work and exhaust your time, while overpricing without perceived value can slow sales. Successful pricing reflects craftsmanship, uniqueness, and usefulness. Small crafts should feel affordable but not cheap. When buyers sense quality, they accept fair pricing without hesitation. Clear presentation, good photography, and thoughtful descriptions all support pricing confidence. Efficiency is another advantage of small wood crafts. Jigs, templates, and repeatable processes allow you to produce consistent quality quickly. Once a design proves successful, you can refine your workflow to increase output without sacrificing craftsmanship. This efficiency is where small crafts turn into reliable income streams rather than occasional sales. The goal is not mass production, but controlled repetition with handmade character intact. Small wood crafts prove that you don't need massive projects or expensive tools to build meaningful income from woodworking. With thoughtful design, attention to detail, and an understanding of what buyers truly value, small pieces can create big financial results. These crafts grow with you, adapt to your creativity, and reward consistency over time. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.